are interested in discussing the strncmp. This strncmp compares the two strings until the number of characters that are given if in this string comparison function. Here you can observe after A, B, 4 is given. So it compares only the 4 letters. Remaining everything is same. We will execute this program. Enter the first sentence. I am entering programming. Second program. If we give the string comparison strcmp, then the result we expect is 1. But here we are giving strncmp and telling to the compiler, you should compare only these strings until the 4 characters. So the 4 characters PROG, the result is 0. Because this string comparison function strncmp is comparing the two strings until the number of characters we have mentioned here. That is the only difference between strcmp and strncmp. Similarly, we can give these two in a single line. C programming if I write C program, both are different, but until the 4 characters both are same, so the result is 0. Here actually there is no use of the C here when we don't use this. Okay, we can give this in the comment section. Execute this program. You can observe here. Enter the first sentence. I am entering some A, B, C, D, E. Enter the second sentence. If I am entering some Z, A, some letters. A minus Z. A is 1. Example. If Z is 26, 1 minus 26 minus, the result minus 25 will be printed. So the strncmp is not only printing the negative and positive values, but also it is printing the exact difference between them. If I write the capital A and small a, it will give the ASCII difference between the capital A and small a. This is the capital A and this is small a. The ASCII difference is minus 32. This is how strncmp works differently compared to the strcmp.